Hey Vibe Babes, welcome to It's Giving Vibes Cosmetic Series. If you're new here, hey boo, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more behind the scenes of my lip gloss business. Today I'm taking you inside my lab, aka workspace, to make my pink lemonade lip gloss. This shade is giving sweet, flirty, and refreshing, just like a cold glass of pink lemonade. Let's get into this video.
She knew, like she knew. It's like sitting in a boat, wondering if it is going to float.
Alright, so you're going to start off with some base and oil. And then you're also going to need a lip gloss tube and a syringe and a pipette to fill the lip gloss tube. I am coming out with an ebook, so please come back to this video at least by the end of this month. I'm bringing out an ebook of everything you need to start your lip gloss business and how to do it. So please check that link out later on this month. So save this video for future references, but I want to share everything you need, how to start it, how to promote it, and everything so you can start your own lip gloss business if that's something you are looking to do. Alright, now that we got the base in a bowl, you can use any bowl. When I'm doing small batches, I like to just use these styrofoam bowls, but for the most part I use glass bowls. And now that you have your base in there, you want to add your oil. It is up to you what oils you want to use, but I suggest you do your research on what's shiny and moisturizing, because that's typically what makes a good lip gloss. It also requires measurements because it's going to depend on how thick you want your lip gloss or how thin you want it. But I feel like the thicker it is, the longer it lasts, but you don't want it too thick to where it's kind of sticking together and it's a little too sticky for your customers. Alright, so how I make my pink lemonade, I use a liquid pink. It's very pigmented, so I just put a little dab on a pipette and then I just kind of dip it into the gloss, and I have to like build this color to the color that I want it to look like. So now I'm just going to stir that together to see if that's the color I want. For me, it's a little too light because when you put it in the lip gloss tube, it looks even lighter than what it looks in the bowl. So you want to make sure that you have enough pigment in there for it to show through the lip gloss tube, if that makes sense. So I'm just adding a little more, and I'm just going to continue to build the color. So I was kind of going for, you know, how they love to say like black people lemonade. So I was going for a little more pigmented pink, but at the same time making sure that it's still light enough to look like pink lemonade. Okay, so now you're going to take your pipette and you're just going to cut it. This is how we're going to fill up the lip gloss tube. So you're going to cut that little bulb off because we don't need that part. Then you're going to take your syringe. You can purchase these on Amazon, and you're going to add your pipette to your syringe and then put tape on it, because when you're filling up the lip gloss tube, you don't want those to separate. You're going to make a mess and it's not going to go into the tube. So after that, then you're going to cut off that small end of the pipette because that is too small for your lip gloss to go through. So as I was looking at it, I still felt like it was a little too light, so I'm just going to add more because I need this to be the desired color that I need. And I'm going to show you how it looked with the lighter pink in the tube versus the darker pink. Comment down below kits if you would like me to make starter kits that you guys can purchase from me if you think this is something you want to do and you don't want to go search on all these websites to get the ingredients. Okay, so I forgot to show you guys this in the beginning, but this is what I usually mix with my oils. This is pink lemonade flavoring oil because we're making a pink lemonade lip gloss. It needs to smell like pink lemonade. So now I'm just filling up my lip gloss tubes with the syringe and the pipette. And then I'm going to put what you call a stopper. This helps the lip gloss not be extremely messy, and so that so much won't come out all at once when you're putting it on your lips. All right, so this is a little light for me. I just want it to look a little pinker, especially when you do your pictures for your website. Sometimes it's hard for those colors to show through. So that was my final color, and now this is how it looks in the tubes. This will be great for my website too, for people to be able to see the pink in there, and it smells great. This is one of my favorite lip glosses.
And I wish somebody would've issued a warning. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything.